I'm Squadron Leader Ross Chard. I'm one of the senior air planners in Headquarters Joint Operations Command, and we're here providing the enemy electronic warfare threats to this activity. What we're actually doing here is providing an electronic warfare or threat system to the aircraft, so we're stimulating them with a real-time surface-to-air missile threat for this activity. Okay, what we actually provide is a series of life-size models with radio transmitters which will actually transmit as if it's a surface-to-air missile, and it's actually stimulating the radar warning receivers in the aircraft, presenting them with a threat. For the pilots, what this means is they are getting a real-time rehearsal activity. So they actually experience what it's like to be targeted with a surface-to-air missile, and they will actually look at practicing their manoeuvres to defeat that threat in a real-time environment before they actually have to go off and play it in the real world.
1 and 2, call 1, push 11. 8 by 3 and 4, clear for re-attack, clear to engage.
What would happen in the sortie or the air activity is, as part of the planning, the blue team, being the aircraft, will actually do their planning, and we as the red team or the enemy team, we do our planning knowing where the pilots have to fly to, what their targets are. So we set our threat systems up as it would be in a real world, knowing where they're going to do, and we try and impede them from achieving their targets by actually targeting them with real world threat systems. It's not our intention to blow them out of the sky before they get there. Our intention is to channel them and target them so it complicates the mission for them. So they come up, they're threatened, they need to conduct manoeuvring to get around that threat, so we're actually making it harder for them. But we want to make it positive training, not negative training. The models that we've actually got out there are a combination of hard skin models and soft skin models, or inflatables. In the inflatables we have a Scud missile, and that's two-piece, so we can have the missile itself actually in the horizontal position, or we can have it vertical in a launch position, so it indicates that it is ready for firing. We also have an SA-6 surface-to-air missile system. And that comes with two different types of radars on it. It's targeting radar and then the missile guidance radar. We have a inflatable anti-aircraft artillery, a ZSU-23 system, as well as various other SA-3 systems which has multiple surface-to-air missiles on it as well. So we have a full range of current and real-time threats simulated.